upgrade to Grindr Extra for the extra features. So, you are ready to take your Grindr experience to the next level. Awesome. Upgrading to the Grindr Extra unlocks a whole bunch of cool features that can make connecting with the people even easier and more exciting. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to have the Grindr app already installed on your phone. Then open it up. I'm already inside it. Once inside it, you'll be seeing this type of option. Here you can see the grid option. There's right now options, interest, inbox, and at last there's an option called Extra Store, and this is the hero of this video. From where we can upgrade to the Grindr Extra. Let's tap on it and that will take you to this type of options. We are under the extra. Here you can see the offers where you can find more faster by paying 10.99 euro for the 1 week. There's a popular scheme where you can choose 1 month and you have to pay 16.99 where you can save 64%. Similarly, there's of 3 months, 12 months, and all. Just below it you can see the features that it will provide if you are the Grindr Extra user. You'll have more connection, you can access to 600 local profiles, get noticed on your drums, that means it's in expiring photos and albums, no interruptions, there will not be no third party ads, and on the extra features you can see the things that I said earlier, 600 profiles, more chat on the explore, and read multiple albums, view all the set, and so on. You can just explore it yourself too. You can see there's another options called unlimited where there's no boundaries. For 1 week you have to pay 25.99 euro and the popular one is 42.99 for the 1 month. It gives you power to explore it all, unlimited connections, know who is interested, more customization, no interruptions, and unlimited features. So to upgrade, simply tap on extra as we talked about upgrading to the extra. Then simply select the scheme or the package that you like. Like I like this first one right over here. Then simply tap on continue. And it will direct you to this type of options. Now simply tap on upgrade now. And that will take you to this type of interface where you can start by adding a payment method. You can use Google Play Credit, Play Safe Card, redeem code from the Play Stores, add a credit or the debit card, pay with the idea, or add the PayPal. However, I'm not going to upgrade to the Grindr Extra because this is a tutorial video, but I'll be explaining you the rest process. So after you tap on the preferable payment method, you have to enter your bank details and everything it asks for you in order to proceed the process of the payment and get you upgraded to the Grindr Extra. Just follow it and confirm your process, and that's it. Once the payment is complete, your Grindr account will instantly upgrade to Extra. You will start enjoying all these extra features right away. Easy peasy, right? So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and give it a try. Let me know in the comments what your favorite extra feature is. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll be seeing you in the next video.